subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest tech updates from TechSole Blog.
Vivo has launched its new affordable Y series phone in Thailand called Vivo Y01A. Now let's see the specifications of the smartphone. The Vivo Y01A features a 6.51-inch HD Plus display with a tall 20:9 aspect ratio. The phone is powered by MediaTek Helio P35 chipset, paired with PowerVR GE8020 GPU. In terms of storage, the smartphone packs with 2GB of RAM and 32GB of internal storage, which is further expandable up to 1TB via dedicated microSD card slot. As per the camera, the Vivo Y01A features a single AI-featured 8MP camera on the rear with f2.0 aperture. For selfies, it has 5MP camera under the water top notch at the top center with f2.2 aperture. The device comes equipped by a massive 5000 mAh battery with 10W charging support, and on the software front, the handset still runs on Android 11 based on FunTouchOS 11.1 skin on top. The connectivity option on the phone includes dual SIM 4G, dual-band Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.0, GPS, FM radio, 3.5mm headphone jack, and a microUSB charging port. The physical dimensions of the smartphone measures at 163.96 by 75.2 by 8.28mm, and it weighs around 178 grams. So now let's have a look at the pricing details of the smartphone. The Vivo Y01A has been priced in Thailand at 3,999 Thai baht, and it will be available for purchase in the country in Sapphire blue and elegant black color options. So what do you guys think of this Vivo Y01A smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below, and stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.